Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2017 Mercedes C63S AMG. Absolutely awesome car with some aftermarket goodies that we'll discuss in the car. It's absolutely awesome. It's the owner, Tony. Good little seatbelt assist. Now, are these aren't carbon buckets. Did they have carbon bucket options?
No, not in this. So they do in the GTR.
That's where I've seen
Pro and of course the Black Series, but not in the C-Class.
I wouldn't even actually buy them anyway because carbon buckets are a pain to get in and out of. So I know personally, but for the video, what mods are done?
Yeah, so I have a Dynan piggyback tune. I have Modelworks intake, and I have a secondary cat delete.
So not bad. And then you were saying around 600 wheel horsepower.
Yep. I find it's a perfect set of mods for the car.
It's a good driver car. It's not absolutely insane. Okay, yep. Yep.
Really feel that torque. That's where this motor shines.
Yeah, let's just, if there's any bumps, it's like, all right, let's spin the wheels. It's fun. It's fine. I also love this sign. I see it all the time. Because this isn't going on Works channel, I can say whatever I want. No passing. It's like, I would not want to pass here. God, I've been wanting to drive one of these for the longest time. Because it's like, I got a taste back in 2018 with the C43.
So this is my first AMG. I've had numerous M3s. I've had, the Maserati, as we were talking about earlier. I've had a Giulia Quadrifoglio, RS5. I've had a lot of cars, but never an AMG. And a lot of my friends have AMGs. One of them actually just picked up his GTR Pro, and he's in line to get a Black Series as well.
Oh, wow.
And he's been trying to convince me to get one, and I've always stuck with BMW. I always thought they were the driver's car, but decided to venture into this, and when I drove this car, I absolutely fell in love with it. It's just so balanced. The motor is an absolute gem. So much torque. Got plenty of top end. The turbos don't run out of air, and of course it has all the power, and the balance just feels amazing. So really, really happy with it. We'll be keeping it for a long time, and I think I'm going to be an AMG owner for a long time.
Oh God, yeah. Yeah, I'm an AMG guy. Out of like the RS line, the M line, and AMG, I've always been an AMG.
Yeah, and I definitely find that the AMG group is definitely an exclusive group. You don't see a lot of them out there. You definitely see more M's. Similar to RS, how RS is definitely exclusive.
Here we go. Oh my God. Okay, alrighty.
Feel that torque.
You're right, it just keeps pulling and pulling, and then it pulls more.
Yeah, and this is Sport Plus mode. Race mode, it feels even more powerful. It really opens it up in race mode.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is it boosted by gear or whatever? Or?
Not on this tune, because this is a piggyback tune. There are some custom tunes out there that do boost by gear, and they take care of that for you. But this, it just gives you all the power all the time, depending on your throttle position.
Nice. Yeah, that's the way, because I've ridden in a couple twin turbo Lambos, and they're all boosted by gear, and they give you the top boost in 7th.
Yeah.
And it's like, at that point, you're on a runway if you're using all that boost in 7th.
I did boost by gear in my F80, and it worked well on the drag strip.
Yep.
Because I was able to limit first and second gear, and then just give it everything up third. So it helped carry me across the line. But I just love feeling all the power all the time in this car. It's so addicting when you have this much torque. And again, the motor just sounds amazing, especially with the secondary cat delete. It took the stock sound out of the performance exhaust that this thing has and just amplified it at least 20%. It sounds amazing. The burbles that are all factory sound amazing. It's just it's an intoxicating car to drive.
Oh God, yeah. And the transmission's absolutely phenomenal. It doesn't need to be a dual clutch unit.
Yeah, AMG did a good job with this MCT. They, stepped their game up in this generation. And of course, with the LCI version of this car that has a 9-speed, which is even more buttery smooth, they're really, trying to catch ZF, and I think they have caught ZF in a lot of ways with the performance of their transmissions.
Oh God, this is chaos. Yeah, I'm a New Hampshire guy, so it's like, this is all... But yeah, this is what I do for work every day. Just do this and another car and another car.
That's awesome.
I cannot complain at all.
When you love cars and you're around cars all the time, it makes this kind of a job easier. It makes you love it more. And
I think
quality of work is just better.
Yeah, I think somebody who wasn't into cars and like, oh, I have to film all these cars. It's kind of weird that because I'm into cars, it's like an absolute dream job.
Yeah. And that's what got me into the business. Just my love of cars. It was propelled me to where I am. It's just because I love cars and all cars. I don't favor, and I have my favorite brands, but I don't favor one or the other.
Right.
So it's helped me, push to where I am now, and it's definitely been a fun ride.
Oh, for sure. Thank you so much for letting me drive this thing. This is absolutely phenomenal. Real beast of a car for sure. But yeah, I'll include his Instagram in the description below. Go ahead, give him a follow and see, well, in 2 years what's next. But thank you so much, Tony.
Thank you.